Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are looking at the steel planters. I ended up buying two of them. These are going to be about 2 feet wide, 8 feet long each. They hold a ton of dirt, and they're made out of an R panel. They went together very easy, and I would say quick, but there's a gazillion screws. So if there's any drawback on these at all, it would just be the amount of screws. But they did give wing nuts. I did one with just a screwdriver to test it and see how long it would take, and then I did one with a screw gun. I will highly recommend using the screw gun. You do not even have to have pliers to hold that little wing nut. It will lock itself in place. It's extremely quick. They have some nice braces around it, and the bottom of these are going to be hollow so that you can fill your dirt up, and it will allow for drainage, which is fantastic. I would put a little rock in the bottom first, and then I would put my soil. You may want to put rock, regular soil, and then a good potting soil mix on the top. If I was going to rate it on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd have to rate it a 10 because they're very heavy duty. They come in multiple colors so you can match your surroundings to what you want, and they go together relatively easy, except for, like I said, the gazillion screws. So guys, do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. We'll see you on the next review.